Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to start with unit 12 pronouns. So what is pronoun? Pronoun takes the place of the noun. For example, Mrs. Veena Gupta is the principal of this school. She is a great educationist. All the students respect her. She and her are pronouns. We use pronouns because if we keep repeating the nouns, our sentence would look awkward. Personal pronoun takes the place of the name and the people of the things. Personal pronouns like I, we, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them are personal pronouns. Let us understand the personal pronoun in detail. Personal pronoun refers to a person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person, the place, or a thing spoken about. So there are three persons. First person is a person speaking. I, me, mine, we, us, ours are the pronoun of the first person. Second person is the person spoken to. You and yours are the pronouns of the second person. Third person is a person or a thing spoken about. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs are pronouns of the third person. Like nouns, pronouns can also be a singular or a plural. Pronoun can be of masculine, feminine, common, or a neuter gender. Let us understand with a few examples. I is a pronoun for the person who is speaking. Example, I am beautiful. You is a pronoun for the person spoken to. Example, you are handsome. He is a pronoun for the boy or a male person. Example, Peter is a good son. So, in the place of a Peter, we put he is a good son. She is a pronoun for a girl or a female person. Princess Anna is living in the castle. So in the place of the Princess Anna, we put she. She is living in the castle. We is a pronoun for the person speaking or other person with him or her. For example, my friend and I will donate the goods to the victims of the flood. In the place of my friend and I, the pronoun we use, we will donate the goods to the victims of the flood. They is a pronoun for two or more persons, animals, plants, objects, place, or events. For example, Melinda and Christina are studying for the quiz. In the place of Melinda and Christina, we put they. They are studying for the quiz. It is a pronoun for an animal, plant, or an object only. For example, the cat is on the mat. In the place of the cat, we put it. It is on the mat. Demonstrative pronouns. A pronoun that is used to point out the object or objects which is refers to is called a demonstrative pronoun. Since the demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the object or objects which they refer to, like if the distance is nearby in the space and time, if the object is singular, we use this, and if the object is plural, we use these. If the distance is further away in the space and time, if it is singular, we use that, and if it is plural, we use those. In these sentences, the word this, these, that, and those are used as a pronouns. In the sentence number 1, this stands for pen. In the second sentence, these stand for pens. In the third sentence, that stands for book. And in the fourth sentence, those stands for books. Now next topic is demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjective. Difference between the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun are: demonstrative adjective modify the noun, whereas demonstrative pronouns replace the noun. Second point, demonstrative adjectives are followed by the noun, whereas demonstrative pronouns are not followed by the noun. Third, demonstrative adjectives are not followed by the main verb, whereas demonstrative pronouns oftenly followed by the main verb. Look at these two sentences. This is a book. Second, this book is novel. In sentence 1, this stands for noun book. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. In the sentence 2, this qualifies the noun book. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Now look at these two sentences. These are geese. These geese are beautiful. In sentence 1, these is a demonstrative pronoun, and in sentence 2, these is a demonstrative adjective. This is the end of the first part. Thank you.